Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2014 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a four-wheel drive. It's 6.7 power stroke diesel. It's got 176,000 miles on it. It's got a VBAC underhood air compressor, Powfinger 4,000 pound crane. It's got some American Eagle toolboxes in it. It's a really nice truck. It's an XLT. So it's got power windows, locks, mirrors, cloth seats. It's got a vinyl floor. Tires is like new all the way around. I'm sick today, so my voice may sound weird and maybe cleared my throat a lot, but I love this truck right here. I think it's probably one of the best looking trucks I've ever had. It's super nice. I mean, it looks like it hadn't even been worked out of. I love the red color. Red's my favorite color, so obviously 99.9% of service trucks are white. So when you see them in a different color, there's just something about it, especially red. Compartment lights, you got a power inverter here. Some slide outs here. I wanted to wait till the sun come out to take pictures and put this truck online, but I don't know when that's gonna be, so I need to go ahead and get it listed, get it put online. So two big work lights back here. Small toolbox here. This truck was originally red. It's not something somebody's took and repainted. And what kills me is some of these guys that resell these trucks. You'll see them online, and we don't repaint cabs here. We don't repaint beds for the most part. We mostly just touch them up. But you'll see in their door jambs where they've repainted the whole cab, and all that'll be the same color as the truck. Like that'll be white, or whatever color the truck is. I don't know, I guess some people just don't look at that kind of stuff, but we don't do that. Cut that VMAC on. Got air pressure. All right. To work your crane here, you hold this button down, push that one, and then let off that one. I'm gonna do that because obviously it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Up. Next down. Around. Back around. Boom out. Boom in. Down. Winch up. Alright, and then hit stop on that. Switches right there. Alright, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Website's heavymetalauto.com. Again, it's a 14 F550 four-wheel drive, 6.7, 176,000 miles. It's a one-owner truck. Super, super stupid clean. Bright red, XLT, that's another thing. Most of them aren't XLTs, they're XLs. Really nice trucks, got all the right equipment on it. If you're looking out of state and you want to have it shipped, figure around $1.50 a mile on this truck. It's long, extended cab with 11-foot bed, so it's gonna take up a lot of room on a truck, but we can get it done for that. I guess that's about it on this one. Don't wait around. I don't think this truck will last too long, but you just never know. I may have it till next year. You never know. I may sell it before I get this video done. That's the thing about this, you just never know. I mean, I may seriously sell this thing as soon as it goes on there. So don't wait. All right, thanks for watching.